RJ.
Ang kapal naman ng mukha ng babaeng yan to join your father on stage.
You might be wondering who this beautiful lady is beside me. She is Miss Claire Bermudez, a childhood sweetheart of my brother, and now his girlfriend.
Girlfriend na pala ng daddy mo si Claire? Alam mo ba to? Eh bakit parang natatawa ka pa?
Well, at least hindi siya nag-end up kay Lynette, di ba?
Ate,
What's wrong? It's the truth. And besides, kung magkakatuluyan kayo ni Claire, eh di ba, siya na yung uupo dito sa Purple Ladies as your representative. Hindi na ako, di ba?
Bakit, RJ? May problema ba?
wala naman. Wala.
Thank you, Ate Giselle. Surprise ako. Alam mo pala.
Travels.
Grabe.
But I'm happy for the both of you.
Thank you. Biglaan talaga and I felt like...
Once again, please welcome my brother, our beloved CEO, Dr. Roberto Tanyag, and of course, his beautiful girlfriend, Miss Claire Bermudez.